What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to swap crypto on OKX Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly swap your crypto here in your OKX Wallet. Well, there are a few things that you need to do. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go open up your OKX Wallet and you want to go ahead and access or log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go to the very bottom and you should see a number of icons here. So you have home, tokens, earn, and discover. So I'll go ahead and choose the trade option. Now, the thing with trading here, if you access this page, as you can see, you have three options. You have buy, sell, and swap. Now, the thing here is by default, swap is going to be selected. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just basically choose the option here that you want to basically trade with. Like for example, if you're buying ETH, you may want to use whichever cryptocurrency you have right now. So if you have USDC or whatever token right now, you could go ahead and just specify that in the buy and pay with option. Now, in this case, you could go and use the other one, which is sell, which, and again, same thing. You could go and just use, instead of like buying, you are selling your crypto for another crypto here on the same blockchain. Now, just in case, if you want to swap to a different blockchain, like for example, SUI, which is in a different blockchain, you want to go and choose or tap on the top left of your screen, which has that drop down button here next to swap, and you should choose the option that says bridge. Now, in the bridge page here, you could go and just choose a cryptocurrency. As you can see, you have ETH. You could go and choose BNB as well in here. So go and specify the details. And once you specify the cryptocurrency and the amount that you want to basically swap here, you should see details like the gas fees and the specific amount that you'll be receiving. Now, just make sure that you have enough cryptocurrency, or in this case, tokens in your wallet here to accommodate the gas fees. Sometimes gas fees can be a lot depending on which blockchain you're swapping with. But yeah, so go ahead and just click on bridge, confirm a few things, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.